Volume is the lifeblood of the markets. It tells you the story behind the price moves. A volume profile takes this a step further. Imagine a chart, but instead of just price bars, you see how much trading happened at each price level. That's volume profile. This helps traders see where the fair price might be. Areas with high volume acted like magnets for the price. Traders use this information to make smarter decisions. The point of control, or POC, is the price level on a volume profile with the most trading activity. Think of it as the price magnet we talked about. It's like a powerful support or resistance level. Why? Because many buyers and sellers agreed on that price before. This makes the POC a key area to watch for potential trades. So, how do traders actually use the POC? Here's a simple breakdown. First, identify the trend. Is the market going up, down, or sideways? The POC strategy works best in trending markets. Next, find the POC by looking for the highest volume area on your chart. This is your point of control. Now, plan your entry. In an uptrend, buy when the price pulls back near the POC and starts to move up again. In a downtrend, sell when the price rallies up near the POC and starts to fall again. Then, set your stop loss. Place your stop loss order just below the POC for buy trades and above the POC for sell trades. Finally, take profit by aiming for a profit target that makes sense for your risk and the market conditions. Let's say the stock ABC is in an uptrend. You spot that the POC is at $50. The price dips down to $49.50, close to the POC, and starts to climb again. This could be a good buy signal. You buy and set your stop loss below $50. Now let's talk about some common mistakes. First, ignoring the trend. Don't just buy or sell blindly because of the POC. Make sure it aligns with the overall trend. Next, not using a stop loss. Always protect your trades with a stop loss order. Another mistake is chasing the price. Don't buy too far above the POC in an uptrend or sell too far below in a downtrend. Here are a few tips for beginners. Start on demo. Practice on a demo account before risking real money. Keep it simple. Focus on understanding the basics before getting too fancy. And be patient. Wait for clear trading setups and don't force trades. The POC is a powerful tool, but it's not a magic bullet. Use it wisely with other trading strategies and manage your risk carefully.